Oh God, what should I invest in? There's so many things today, but what is the best option for me? Interesting.
Good choice, good choice. Good choice of investment. I'm sure you won't regret.
Hey bro, if you don't invest in me, you will regret it. Go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency, not in this.
Bro, don't invest in him. I can give you anywhere from 13 to 15% interest in a period of 3 to 5 years. Invest in me. Don't trust him. Don't trust him.
Hey bro, 13 to 15, I'll give you 200% returns overnight. Invest in me. Cryptocurrency will make you millionaire.
He doesn't have a safety net, right? If you do some research about me, you'll know that I have some great assets to prove my worth.
Bro, who can believe a safety net in today's world? You can only become a millionaire if you take a risk. Take Bitcoin now.
This guy is pretty new on the block. Don't trust him. Crores of people have believed me from a lot of years and got crores in returns. You can trust my credibility.
You might be long term, but people in today's world want to be a millionaire overnight. You trust in me, I will make you mala mal. Buy Ethereum now, bro. You will win in life. Pick me. Pick me.
Pick me.
Pick me. I
Pick
will
me.
teach you how to become
How do I learn? How do I invest?
To learn about investments properly and not be confused like this guy, download the Freedom app and get a course. Learn to be financially independent and stable.
Stop!
To stay away from such financial scams like cryptocurrency, download the Freedom app now and check out all the courses. Don't get scammed.